Hi guys, today I gonna show you. It's called bird, small birds recipe. I will show you. This is the gonna we use the ingredients: onion, gingembre, and garlic, tomato. I need the ingredients: ginger and garlic, onion, and bird. I cut the meat and I put a little salt and red chili powder and some chilies. Onion. I put ginger and garlic and mix it nicely. Have to mix nice. Guys, you see the onion? I fried nicely in the oil. Now I add 1 spoon of salt, 1 spoon of turmeric powder, mix powder, zira, garam masala. Mix nicely and add little water. Guys, you see guys, first I cook nicely the onion with ginger. Now I'm gonna add the meat. Mix nicely the meat. Guys, you see the meat is nicely cooked. Now I add a little water. I add some tomatoes. And some chilies. Guys, you see the curry? I finished to cook. So the color is nice. I hope so. You all like the recipe. Please, if you like, you can comment how much. And please, I want to you all try how I cook. I hope so you will like it. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.